Hello, welcome to my 8th C# tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the switch statement. And the switch statement is very like the if statement, only it is used for different things. It's used for comparing more than one condition at a time. It's very useful, and I'm going to show you it rather than trying to explain it now because it's much easier. So first of all, let's create an integer called age and set it equal to 18. Okay, so we're going to do a test now. If the person is 18, then they are allowed in. If they are under 18, then they aren't allowed in. But if they're over 19, then they're too old to get in. So let's just go ahead and do switch. Okay, and we are going to be testing the age. Okay, so this is our switch statement. Okay, now this is obviously our statement. This is the variable that we are going to be testing. So let's write case. So case, this is the thing we're going to be checking for. So case equals 18. We're going to write console dot write line and it's going to be allowed in, not int. Okay, and then we're going to break. Okay, so if they're 18, then run this code. Okay, and this just means end this section. I'll end the code. Okay, so case, and this is going to be 17. Wrong button. Colon. I'm just going to copy and paste this because I'm lazy. And that's going to be not allowed in. Okay, so if case is 19, too old to get in, and then break. Okay, so what this does is like an if statement, only you don't have to type out the whole state, like if not age is equal to 18 each time. In this case you can just write case 18 and then write your code. It's much quicker for comparing large lists of either numbers or strings. Okay, so let's just say age equals 18. We also need to read key, or else we won't be able to see it. So okay, we're 18, we're allowed in. Great, awesome. 17, okay, we're a bit too young, we're not allowed in. Change this to 19. Well, it's 18 only, bit ageist, but you know, we're too old to get in. Bummer. Okay, now there is another thing you can do, and it's called default. Okay, this means if it's now not 18, not 17, or not 19, then you run the code underneath this. So you're not the right age. Clear off. Okay, a bit harsh, you know. Okay, so there we go. We're still at 19, so let's change this to 5. There we go. Chancer. You're not the right age. Clear off. Okay, so that is just a simple tutorial on how to use the switch statement. So you just state what variable you're checking, or you're testing, and then you just write case statements, and anything between the case statement and the break statement is what is run if it's under that header. Oops. Okay, so I hope I've explained that well. The default again is if none of these are true, so it pretty much is just like a list of if statements, only much quicker and easier to see as well, better laid out. So I hope this tutorial was useful, and please subscribe and look out for my next tutorial. I'm going to be going over methods and a little bit more about them. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.